Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh's classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of the chemistry paper second Combined Geo-Scientist Main Examination 2026. In this question paper, questions are subjective and you will put the answer with proper concept and solution of the questions will be properly step by step. Okay, so now we will discuss the one question. Calculate the pH of an aqueous solution of a weak monobasic base, monoacidic base and 298 Kelvin, which has been neutralized by strong monobasic acid to the extent of 65%. That is the 65% neutralization is done, and given Kb and Kw are 2.0 10 to the power minus 5 and 1.0 10 to the power minus 14 respectively at 298 Kelvin. Okay, now here there are the two types of the values are given, and it is a reaction of the pH, neutralization reaction, and for calculation of the pH of weak acid. So pH of a weak base solution, pH of weak base solution, and in this question given value is the Kb. Kb is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, Kb is equal to 2.0 minus 5 and Kw is equal to 1.0 is equal to respectively Kb and Kw. And Kw is equal to 1.0 into the 10 to the power minus 14, right, at 298 Kelvin. Now calculation. For the calculation part, for a base neutralization, base neutralized by an strong acid as given in our question. Strong acid, the remaining bases that is the 100 minus 65%, that is the 35% base, and the salt form is 65%, because we already know that when a reaction of acid and base, acid plus base, formation of a salt. In this reaction acid and base is given and formation of the new component, that is the 60%, 65% salt is formed in this reaction. Okay, now out of the 100, 65% neutralization is done, that is the 35% acid, 35% base is remaining in our mixture. Okay, now values put in the formula. So what is the formula? Formula is the pKb is equal to minus log, okay, minus log, or because of the calculation of the pH of the any acid and base or the salt, we can calculate with the help of Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for base. So for use of this equation, calculation of the pOH means base, pH of the base. Okay, now what is the formula according to this equation? pKb plus log concentration of the salt upon concentration of the base, because of we are calculating the pH value of any base. So it is a Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculation of the pH of base and representation of the pH of base with the help of pOH. Okay, now put the value in this formula. We have calculated the pH, that means pKb minus log 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 minus log because of one value is given. Okay, after the calculation of this concentration we will get 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5, and taking the log approx 4.7. Now put the value in the POH formula of the base, that is the POH is equal to 4.7 minus log 4.7 log 65 divided by 35. After calculation of this equation we will get the approx 4.7 plus 0.27, and approx value is the 4.97. Clear? Now calculation of the pH, that is the pH is equal to 14, because of it is the base. Highest pH value of the 14 is equal to 14 minus 4.97, then 9.03. So this is the value of the pH of our base which present in our reaction mixture, that is the 35% of base. 9.03 it is the correct answer, and you can calculate with the help of pH value pH calculation, Henderson Hatch-Flash equation for base. Okay, thank you.